there, it's Megan with WTI, and I think that if you're looking to sweeten up your own life or somebody else's life, this Barnetts Fine Biscotti gift box is the perfect way to do it. These come in a really fun variety of flavors, which not only makes for gorgeous presentation, but also some delicious combos. If you normally tend to steer clear of biscotti because of its typical really hard texture, then I think that these cookies would be great for you. I find them to have a really pleasant bite to them. They're kind of like halfway between a biscotti and a shortbread cookie. They have a nice, delicate flavor to them that's perfect for a midday break when you don't want something too indulgent. They complement tea, coffee, hot chocolate, whatever beverage I'm enjoying. I really like having one of these cookies with it. The packaging and the beautiful bow detail on this biscotti gift box is stunning. I love how I don't have to wrap it for gift giving. It's ready to give right away. In my opinion, this biscotti gift box is a really special treat. It has something for everyone. And that's my point of view.